We're closing in on the end of the Nightender restoration project, as you can see here. Everything's fully functional. I built a very simple shelf out of some spare wood that I put the mini barrel on, and this is going to supply one side of the Nighttender's liquor, in this case Jameson whiskey. The other one's going to go over here, and you'll notice that the barrel is pretty much as high as it's going to go. That was on purpose. I'm guessing the original canister that they used that had a tap that plugged right into this white rubber tap connector here and here was pressurized, similar to a mini keg. Because I'm just using a gravity feed system, the barrel needs to sit a bit higher so that you can see here the float in that tube, so that the water rises high enough to be really functional. I've stored some spare parts, some spare corks that I made or that I adapted to replace the original corks, and some fuses and some various other odds and ends in case I need them. I'll move around to the front now. All right, here we are at the front. So you can see here I have a vinyl tube, and the specs of which will be in another video or in some documentation for this restoration project. But that just plugs right into that white rubber tap connector there. And you can see there's the float. So without further ado, key is turned. I'm going to go ahead and power it up. And dispense some water. Let's see. Float comes down, float goes back up. When we run out, that float is going to drop all the way to the bottom, breaking this connection and triggering the sold out light down there. That's pretty much it. I will have a couple more mini videos on various things, like how to take those drip systems, those little drip dispensers, completely apart to clean them and get fully functional again. It's fairly easy. There was just a little bit of calcium buildup that kept them from working right out of the box.